come to you. God of the meek and small, God of the reckless and the wild, God of the unreconciled, I come to you. God of our life and death, God of our secrets and the past, God of our every breath, I come to you. God of the rich and poor, God of the princes and the home, God of the ever open door, I come to you. God of the unborn child, God of the pure and undefiled, God of the big and pedophile, I come to you. God of the war and peace, God of the junkie and the priest, God of the greatest and the least, I come to you. God of the refugee, God of the prisoner and the free, God of our doubt and certainty, I come to you. God of our joy and grief, God of the lawyer and the thief, God of our faith